The rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has been one of the most fascinating and disruptive trends in the cryptocurrency landscape in recent years. NFTs, essentially digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated, have opened up new possibilities for artists, creators, and collectors alike. In this essay, we will explore the rise of NFTs, their impact on the art world, and their implications for the future of cryptocurrency. To understand the rise of NFTs, it is important to first understand the concept of blockchain technology. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions and stores data in a secure and transparent manner. This technology has enabled the creation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which allow for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks. However, blockchain has many other potential use cases beyond cryptocurrencies. One of these is the creation of NFTs. These unique digital assets can be created and traded on blockchain platforms, giving them an added layer of security and transparency. One of the key drivers of the rise of NFTs has been the art world. For years, artists have struggled to monetize their digital creations. While physical art can be sold for millions of dollars at auctions, digital art has typically been viewed as less valuable, in part because it can be easily replicated and shared. NFTs have changed this dynamic by enabling artists to create unique digital assets that can be sold and traded just like physical artworks. This has opened up new opportunities for artists to monetize their work and reach a wider audience. One of the most high-profile examples of this is the digital artist Beeple, who sold an NFT of his artwork for $69 million at a Christie's auction in March 2021. This sale made headlines around the world and helped to bring NFTs into the mainstream. Another important factor driving the rise of NFTs has been the growing interest in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology among investors. As more people become interested in these new technologies, they are looking for new ways to invest and diversify their portfolios. NFTs have emerged as a popular investment option, with some collectors spending millions of dollars on digital assets. While some view this as a speculative bubble, others see it as a new asset class that could have long-term value. However, the rise of NFTs has not been without controversy. Some have raised concerns about the environmental impact of NFTs, which require a significant amount of energy to create and trade. Others have questioned the value of digital art and the potential for fraud and scams in the NFT market. Despite these concerns, the rise of NFTs shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, many see them as a key driver of innovation and growth in the cryptocurrency landscape. Looking to the future, it is clear that NFTs have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about digital art and ownership. As more artists and collectors embrace this new technology, we can expect to see new and innovative use cases emerge. For example, NFTs could be used to create unique digital identities or to track ownership of physical assets like real estate or luxury goods. They can also be used to create new revenue streams for content creators, musicians, and other artists. Overall, the rise of NFTs is a testament to the power of blockchain technology and the potential for innovation in the cryptocurrency landscape. While there are certainly challenges and concerns that need to be addressed, the emergence of NFTs represents an exciting new chapter in the ongoing digital revolution. NFTs have captured the attention of the art world and investors alike, and they show no signs of slowing down. Whether you're an artist, collector, or investor, it's important to stay informed about the latest developments in the world of NFTs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency and investing.